content videos up there. Shout out to Miranda for the ride.
What's on?
You excited?
They're not that big.
No,
Thanks
they're
to
not.
the
Yeah,
anxiety.
usually them palms are glistening.
You should-
We checked our bags. We're on our way to Tucson.
First stop, Phoenix.
Yeah, let's navigate the escalator. Next stop.
Phoenix.
Philly to Phoenix, and then Phoenix to Tucson, to Tucson. But yeah, we do need to get something to eat.
Yeah, it's not.
Cheers, Bill.
To places we ain't never been.
Whoa. You want to try this? Ooh, that has a bite. We're definitely going to need a wipe down on the table.
It's dangerous.
Yeah. Espresso martini.
Compartment. This aircraft has new, larger overhead compartments. Place your bag in wheels first, then turn it on its side to maximize the space available.
Made it to Tucson. I'm going to take the Talon over and trade it for the truck and the camper. Alrighty guys, I made it over here with the Talon over to base. Here's the truck and the camper. Just as I left it, the airbags, they have slow leaks, so they leak down, so I just need to pump them back up and we'll be ready to hit the road. Pump dump box combo here. Alright, see if she fires up. Sounds like the battery is stout. Oh yeah, no problemo. Alright, see you later, Talon. Thanks for giving me a lift. Okay, we are back at the hotel. And we got a late checkout, so we're gonna kind of organize the ship, and we'll drive a couple hours, like halfway to Joshua Tree. So we're just sort of organizing things back here, and also organizing things in here. Getting it, babe.
There's a pile for you.
Yep, I'm gonna get to work. Alright, so I just checked the fluids. We're looking good. The camper is super organized. Melissa and I spent the first half of the day just getting ourselves kind of situated. And now we're going to hit the road and make it halfway to Joshua Tree. Here she is, getting laced up, ready to go.
Yeah. Ready to sit in that car.
About to sit in the truck. But yeah, we got this little fridge down there going, powered off the Blue Eddy.
Oh, we're also going to stop at the food store.
Yep.
Get some necessities for dinner.
Some gyros for lunch. And we're probably going to do like an off-grid camping tonight. Add some dispersed camping like halfway to Joshua Tree. Or close to halfway. But see you on the road.
Bye.
Got anything to say to the peoples? Subscribe.
Next time.
First meal of the trip. Gyro Shack. Yato Shack. However you want to say it. It's delicious.
Yeah, best fast Greek food I've ever had.
I think it's the only fast Greek food I've ever had. Yeah, it's really good. One of the little gems here in Tucson. Some dispersed camping. It's about halfway to Joshua Tree. So we're just gonna batten down here for the night.
Make some tortellini soup.
Yeah, Melissa's about to whip it up in the kitchen.
Here, I get down over here in the little kitchen.
What are you making?
Creamy tortellini soup. One little onion.
So our little kitchen setup in use right here. Smells really good. Making like the whole area smell good. This is our little spot. We got this mountain in the background here. The sunset's beautiful. You should step out here and look at this real quick, babe. You want me to mix that?